I've been on this sell trade for roughly 2 days now. I've been swinging boom 500 index, and you can see how well this trade is moving, how nice this sales is moving, right? I shared this sell setup to my VIP members. The sell signal was given as well, and the setup was shared on my public Telegram channel. So how do I know this index is going to sell from this level? I've taken partial profits, and I had my TP, my first TP at this point, which got smashed yesterday. So we got price pushed further, which I had my second TP at this point before we got this retracement for price to come retest this broken level. So on the retest of it, we are getting more sales. So I've been shorting this index for days now with a couple of entries here. I have about 6 entries on this index running in profit, which my first CP has been smashed and my second CP, which price is getting to right now. So what's market analysis? Basically, how do I know this index is going to sell from this level? Why did I predict the sales on boom 500 index? So here in today's video, we'll be having a trade breakdown and market analysis on this index, and we'll be analyzing from a higher time frame, which can be the weekly time frame, the monthly time frame, or the daily time frame, down to a lower time frame like the 5 minutes time frame, the 15-minute time frame, or even the 1 minute time frame, right? So let's analyze from the daily time frame. So on this daily time frame on this index, you can see I always pay attention to what's happened previously in the market, right? The previous market moves, because it would give me a different view on the market, a defined view on the market, right? So we got these bullish moves for days on boom 500 index. Let's count how many days this index was bullish, starting from these points, this particular candlestick here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days of bullish moves on this index. Remember, this is the daily time frame, and each and every candle here takes 24 hours to form 1 day. So in this zone, this whole zone, we had bullish days. We had no bearish day at this zone. So when price got to this level, we first got this approach here, which price rejected. We got couple candlestick rejections here: 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candlestick rejections at this point before price gives these sells, this bearish engulfing candle that was formed here. These rejections produced these sells that we got at this point. Now price came back to this same zone and still rejected from it. We got about 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections from this same level. So the question is, why is price rejecting from this zone? Let's look at previous market move to see if we got any historical market reactions at this zone. Let's keep moving to see. Okay, and it's clear that we got price react on this level previously. Firstly was market reactions. Price played around here like a consolidation move, a consolidating move, right? And we got price come test this level as a support, and we had a little uptrend here. We just got a couple of market trading decisions at this point. Both the buyers and the sellers made a lot of trading decisions at this zone, the day time frame. We got this uptrend formation. We are getting higher highs and higher lows before this double top formation here. Before price formed this double top formation, which is a bearish reversal pattern, and this double top produced these sells that we got basically. So we got price buy from as a support here before it was broken resistance. You can see we had about 3 first reactions. Here was a resistance, I would say resistance here, a support here, a support here, resistance. About 4 reactions, 4 to 5 trading reactions at this zone. Then price still came back to the same level again. It reacted on this level as a resistance. So this is the previous market reactions, the historical market move on this zone. Bringing up this two, you can see when this move happened in 2021. Would say about 3 years now, May 2021, roughly 3 years of markets creating these reactions here. This is September 2021, and that's when this between May 2021 to September 2021, that's when we got market reactions at this zone. So price too came back to react on this level, that previous level, that historical zone. Since market reacted on this zone, price has been trading below this level. We've seen market reactions, market trading activities below this our zone. So after some years and some months, price decided to come test this zone again, this strong that level, we got previous market reactions, that historical level and zone. We got price revisit that zone at this point and are getting market reactions right from this zone. So for price to reject from this level, it means that we had something interesting which happened previously, which we can actually see. And looking at this move that we got here, we can tell that the bulls has lost their buying steam. They have lost their buying power, and markets seem to be in an overbought zone, right? Which the sellers now came into the market to push the market to the downside. At least for price to come test this zone, we have one of our important zones here on Boom 500 index. So I'm expecting a long-term sell. Basically, that's why I'm holding some of my positions. That's why I'm swinging my sell positions. I'm expecting more sales on this index, and we can see the general trend. Regardless of the sales we are getting, this market is still in an uptrend. That's what you have to take note of. This market is creating higher highs and higher lows, series of higher highs and higher lows, and you can see that market is on our trend resistance level, which we've got previous reactions on this zone. Price sold from as a resistance, marking it out. Market approach here, price sold on our trend resistance the first time, second time, right? And we are still getting reactions at this trend resistance. So this is another valid reason of this market selling from this zone, of why this market is to sell from this level. And our trend support here, you can see market reactions here. Support, price bought from as a support first time, second time as a support, right? So we've got a couple of reactions. Price sold from as a resistance, bought from as a support. So there's a possibility of price selling back to this our trend support level, as well as our horizontal level, which we got at this zone. So for price to sell to this zone, it means that we are to get a third test of our trend support, which is to complete our uptrend structure. After we've gotten the first, the second, and the third test basically of our trend resistance, then we have to expect price to come give the third test of our trend support here. Right, so that's one of my trade projections. That's what gave me the sell view on this index on the higher time frame. So I have to now go to a lower time frame to look at for my possible sell zones to short this index. After I saw price create this first highs here with a couple of rejections, price too came back to this same level, created the second highs like a double top formation with also a couple of rejections, couple of candlestick rejections here. So I knew that this market is going to sell. I knew that the sellers are coming to the market, so I have to look out for a good entry point to short this index. So you can see our level here, which we've got price sell from. Then coming to a lower time frame, because after I identified the market structure on the daily time frame, I had to go to a lower time frame, the 1 hour time frame, to spot my sell zones, and we got this uptrend which price has broken below. So it's confirmed now that this market is turning bearish, because the market have shifted from creating higher highs and higher lows to now creating lower highs and lower lows, which you can see on the lower time frame, on the 1 hour time frame would say. Right, so on this 1 hour time frame, I spotted a formation here. We can see it clearly on the 15-minute time frame. A formation at this point, a head and shoulders pattern formation. We got price from the left shoulder here, the head, and the right shoulder. So it was at this point I got my first entry, and I asked my VP members to short this index here, which they actually did. Before this retracement, we got a little sales, which I asked them to take partial profits, because I was expecting the retracement back to this zone for price to come test this reversal pattern formation neckline, this head and shoulders pattern neckline, because on every reversal pattern we always got price from a neckline. All right, so it's on that neckline that we get our entry points, and we got this downtrend structure, this downtrend formation, which price has been forming basically after getting the first and second test of our trend resistance. We've been seeing price, so markets on a downtrend would say. So everything is moving nice on this index. My second TP level is at this point. My first TP level has been smashed, and I'm expecting price to get to my second TP level as well, right? So that's how I was able to get my entry on this index. So on price breaking below this neckline, I took my sells here. After the retracement, I still held on this retracement. I still held my sells. I still had to add more sell positions after price gave the sells, because I was strongly expecting price to sell, this index to sell. Basically, long-term sales is expected on Boom 500 index. This sell setup was shared on my public Telegram channel and to my VIP members. So that was my analysis, and that was what helps take the sales basically. So if price is to get to my first TP level, my second TP level, sorry, I'm still expecting price to sell more after the break of this level. So you can as well take advantage of this wonderful sell opportunity, this wonderful sell trade, this sell setup on Boom 500. This would be a long term. This is a long term sell setup, would say. So if price can break below this level here, I would be shorting this index, something of this kind. A break below this, on the break and retest of this level, I would be shorting Boom 500 index. I'll be taking more sells, would say, on this index, right? Price can give a break below this structure, a retest on it, a break and retest on this level, because this is a strong level of support. So if price can break below, it means that the sellers are still in charge of this market. They still have higher hand on this market, right? So my third sell entry, because I got my first entry here, my second entry at this point, so I'll be having more entries here on the break and close below this level, break and retest of this level. I'll be shorting this index more. So that's this, guys. That was how to take the sell trade on Boom 500 index by identifying the market structure on a higher time frame, spotting my levels and zones, then going down to a lower time frame for my entry point. So hit the like button for more trade reviews, guys, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. So let's engage in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and delve enough with it. Peace.